Khublei shibun ai fibro saisin pat kijing tip nam ta khubor Laitkam te gidon Tylli ki post ki balaj hapo is Khasi hill dengan pulih kat kum kene ka advertisement ka bal apply na ka Government of Meghlaaya Office of the State Nodal Officer Unique Disability ID UDID project advertisement. Applications are invited from the eligible candidate who are citizens of India for the recruitment of the following posts on contractual basis. Kan mau kadai contract. The posts are purely temporary and on contractual basis for a period of 1 year and extendable after the review on the satisfactory performance. Teka kontrak kadai sistem tekin sa renew kat kum ka performance ka jong phi. Yang ni imtai keteng jong post ka name of the post the disability empowerment facilitator is Khasi hill. Yagan ne ki sha tang ye ki badai na po is Khasi hill district hi. Qualification kadai postgraduate preferably with master degree in social work. Kamang ilong postgraduate toma ki kam prefer badai ye ki MSW with a master degree in social work. The criteria of the minimum of 1 year relevant experience, especially in e-governance application, should be proficient in the English and Khasi language, readiness to travel to all the block in Khasi Hill region for awareness program. The applicant must be a permanent resident of East Khasi Hill district, preferably from Shillong. Tekane kapus ke nyngkong, isya betang kibana East Khasi Hill, kam prefer kibada ina Shillong. Kapus kadon nakaway katulok kade R4 shibun place of posting kade State Resource Center on Disability Affairs Civil Hospital Shillong. Te gitu kiba biang ka qualification, biang ka experience ane kan kriteria te gila ban apply. Kabar kade ka media assistant UDID project Meghlaaya. Kanepre de graduate course in mass communication and video production. Tangki bapule ya kane ka course ki bala ban apply. Tehangner kumjuk ki criteria ka minimum 1 years of relevant experience, proficiency in content and presentation, research, social media engagement, content production, audio and video, excellent verbal communication skill and good command in English and preferably the local language Khasi or Garo. Hangner tangkawi ka post kane R4 shibun kaner hajuhi state resource posting kaner State Resource Center on Disability Affairs Civil Hospital Shillong. Te ya kane ka post ka baar kila ban apply baro tangi ka post ka ba nyngkong ka apply ka tang nam taki permanent resident of East Khasi Hill. Takadaw kidon kam submit ya ka voters ID ban prinsipya pikiden East Khasi Hill. Ndre ya ka post number 2 la upload ya baro bakin apply. And page again eligible and suitable candidate should apply only through Google form link given on the website. Jangan sabu ia kena ka link hapo ka description te sa check ang tu batsa pli batlada phila ban lej le bhaba lej hi hakane ka website rcda.in te la lej hakane phinsa yo hi gitu giling la don ka recruitment hang tu phila ban check phila ban pule phila ban page hakane ka PDF batsa le ka ban kam. The candidate should not cross 32 years of age, relaxable up to 37 years. Hadu live news name nam taki STSC as on 1st January 2024. The last date kendai R3 July khat R baje janmit te kan mau man le ka ban kam. There shall be a process of scrutiny and screening after which the application of the eligible suitable candidate ta kan don kata ka screening should produce at the time of interview. The list of the eligible and suitable candidate will be displayed on the website. There are list jong ki candidate and start display beha ka website shortly after 2nd July. Then dala good class date kin sapan mi be ya ka list jong ki balong eligible hapo ka website ba jong ane ka max rcda.in sakan mau balik hang tu amnon kaman IITADA la tip candidate must be domicile resident of state of Meghlaaya. The voters ID of the candidate must be uploaded and presented at the time of interview. Kane nomor ba ya ka post ka nyngkong ki don kam tang ki bana is Khasi Hill takadaw don kam man submit re ya ka post number 2 don kam re te lele re. The date of the interview will be notified in the website. They can sapan tip ng ba ka website max rcda. The candidate to check the website from time to time. Te sakan mau ban check po ka website na ka por siya ka por kan mau ya kane ka post ka nyngkong disability empowerment facilitator is Khasi Hill. Ya katu pidon kam bandai be kibana is Khasi Hill. Ya kane ka ba ar pada graduate course don kam bandai na kino ki district ro amne lere kin pidang be te tangine ki jeng petip ngathai bila sai khublei shibun.